That HAV file contains physics and animation data powered by Havok middleware, the engine behind realistic movement in countless video games. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you inspect or convert these game animation files. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn HAV files. HAV files contain animation and physics simulation data created by Havok middleware used in major game engines. They store skeletal animation sequences, rigid body dynamics, ragdoll configurations, and collision data for real-time game character and object animation. Havok HAV files use a binary tagged format, with version class descriptors storing animation tracks, bone transforms, physics constraints, and collision shape definitions. They are platform-specific and compiled for target hardware using Havok's content pipeline tools. Your primary troubleshooting tool for HAV should be the specialized Havok Physics by Microsoft Corporation. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows cannot display in-game assets or logic, so dedicated extraction tools are necessary. To resolve the incompatible format issue, right-click the HAV file and choose Open With. Prioritize Havok Physics if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for a functional file claim. If you still can't open the HAV file, it's okay. Because the HAV format is highly specialized, general solutions often fail. To ensure a proper fix, let's verify these crucial details on our checklist right now. First, inspecting the file. Download the Havok Content Tools suite, which includes the Havok Preview tool for inspecting HAV animation and physics data. Load the HAV file to view skeleton hierarchies, animation tracks, and physics constraint configurations in the Visual Preview window. Next, converting with Havok Tools. Use the Havok Asset Converter from the Havok Developer SDK to convert HAV files between platform formats or export animation data to FBX format for use in Blender or Maya. Register for a Havok Developer account to access the content pipeline tools. Finally, modding game files. For game modding purposes, use community tools such as HKXCMD or Havok Behavior Tool to inspect and modify HAV files, extracted from games like Skyrim or Fallout. These tools allow editing of animation blending parameters and physics settings for custom game modifications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagick, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.